So welcome back to our iOrnament drawing tutorial. Today is more an invitation than an explanation. I want to invite you to also visit the mathematical part of the app, and I want to tell you where to find it. So you should know about the question mark button, which gives you a contextual help menu on everything you are doing in iOrnament. So whenever you are in a certain menu, like here in the color menu, you will get a kind of online help here. If you switch to the symmetry menu, the help center switches accordingly. And so essentially most of the explanations I did in the tutorials will also be part of the help menu. But the help menu also has this button here, all topics, and in this all topics menu, as a last point, you have the mathematics of ornament, and this brings you to a little tutorial consisting of 17 single pages that explain you the theory behind ornament theory. And I just want to quickly go through these pages. So you see also in these pages everything is interactive. The first page here explains that whenever you have a planar ornamental pattern, that you find a kind of translational symmetry in at least two directions, and you can play with some patterns and search for the translational symmetry. The next page explains the different kinds of elementary symmetry. So there are translations, there are Clyde reflections, reflections, and rotations. The next one teaches you how to identify these symmetry centers in an ornamental pattern. So if you tap the rotation center of a fourfold symmetry, it shows this symmetry. If you mark an axis of reflection, it tells you about this reflection. And if you are an expert and find axis of Clyde reflection, like this one here, it even shows you the Clyde reflection. The next one gives a basic introduction into the 17 different symmetry groups. So this is a kind of mini iOrnament. Then you learn about tiles and different ways how to organize tiles. In the next one, you learn about kaleidoscopes and kaleidoscopic symmetries and how they work if you apply them to specific patterns. Then you will learn something about shears and squeezes and stability of symmetries, about the flexibility of ornaments, and you even get an explanation why there are exactly 17 symmetry groups. After that, you will learn something about color symmetries, so you will identify different types of color enhanced symmetry patterns, and after that you even will learn something about three-dimensional objects and symmetries that you have in three-dimensional objects like the Platonic solids, and you will identify say the symmetries of them. And finally, I already showed that in an earlier tutorial, you learn about how to turn a planar ornament into a spherical one by essentially creating a kind of 3D cardboard model from the ornament. So as I said, today is not an explanation, it's an invitation. So I really recommend go to the mask menu and work through the different pages. It's really worth it. And after that, you will get a kind of deeper understanding of the mathematical backgrounds behind ornaments. If you want to get back to your drawing, simply press the home button here and you are back in your drawing and can just continue doodling. See you next time. Have fun with Mars.